G'day guys, Tomo here. Welcome to another Round the Fire video. So this video is part 2 to the LED light bar install video. So if you haven't seen that one, there'll be a link somewhere around for you to go and check that out. In this video, we're going to be installing this little gem, which is the switch fascia by Light Force. It solves the issues of not having anywhere to add switches. The box does say easy do-it-yourself installation. I'd recommend you have a fair bit of patience if you want to do this one. I found it about medium to difficult, just purely getting all the bits and pieces off. Give it a go and see what you think. I'm going to do something a little different with the editing on this one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. When I started filming this video, the entire neighbourhood decided that they needed to mow their lawns at that exact moment. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Cheers guys.